Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how basically you can build a screen recorder and download that file as a MP4 file using MediaRecorder API. So basically you have a button out there which is called as start recording. If I hit this button out there, you will now see basically it will just tell you that which tab you want to record. Let's suppose I select this tab here and click on share. So now you can see whatever I'm doing right here, I am recording this tab here. You can see there is an option to stop sharing. If I click that button, the video will be downloaded as an MP4 file. So now if I want to stop this sharing, as soon as I click the button, you will see that the video file will be downloaded here as an MP4 file. Now if I open this video file here, you will now see all the recorded things that I have done right here. It is captured and now the video is playing right here. You will see that. So in this way, guys, you can build out this application. Whatever that you want to record, you click this, you select your screen, whichever screen that you want to record, click on share. Now you can see it will only record this much, this screen only. You can see as I click the stop sharing button, the video will be downloaded. So whenever you want to record your Chrome screen, let's suppose you want to do anything with the screen recorder, you will build this application, which is a very useful application. I have given all the source code in the description of this video. I've written a complete blog post on my tutorial website. The link is given in the description of the video. So step by step instruction is given. So let's start building this application, guys. So the very first thing you need to do, just make an index.html file here, and then we will have a simple button out there inside the body. So right inside the body you have a button out there. So just click, just have a start recording label out there. So we will be attaching basically a on click to this button, guys. As soon as you click this button, the start function will execute here. And now we just need to write the JavaScript part here. So basically we will first of all give the ask for the permission. So we can ask the permission, guys. Navigator API we will use here. So this contains a method out there which is called as media devices, and this contains a method. In order to get the permission for recording your screen, there is a method out there which is get display media. So we will use this method here, and inside get display media, guys, you just need to pass the option. If you want to record the video, you will put true here. If you also want to record the audio, you will also put true here, like this. So some song is playing in the background. If you want to record that also, you will put true here. And we only need to record the video, so we will pass video only. And then it returns a promise, guys. Basically you can have the stream object here, and basically here we will first of all start the recorder here. So we will simply say here start the recorder, and here we will use the media recorder. As I already told you, media recorder is a built-in API inside your Chrome browser, every browser. And here you will pass the stream here, and then there is the method out there which is recorder.start. There is a start method. In order to start the recording automatically, there is a stop method also which is used to stop the recording. And then, guys, after you start the recording, you will make a buffer object here, right here, in order to store that recording. This will be basically empty array here. We will keep on embedding inside this, because as soon as the video starts playing here, and this basically contains a method, guys, here, guys, which is add event listener. So we can listen for the events out there. So whenever some data is available, whenever the recording is going on, this event will automatically execute. This event will be there. So we need to capture the video data which is recording right here, and we need to push it inside this buffer empty object, empty array. So there is a push method, and basically we will say event.data. So whatever the recording is going on, we will capture the data, event.data, and we will push it inside this empty array. That's all. And now this basically there is also a event out there, guys, which is called as the stop event. So whenever you click the stop recording button, this event will automatically fire whenever you click it. And basically inside this event, guys, we will first of all convert that video to a blob object. We will simply say new blob, and here we will pass the buffer here, and inside the second argument we will pass the type property. So whichever file extension you want to share your video, so video/mp4, which is the extension for a mp4 file. Now we need to just simply allow the user to download the video file as a mp4 file. We will create an element which is the anchor element, and inside this we will manipulate the href attribute of that, and this will be equal to the document URL dot, there is a method out there which is called as create object URL, and here we will pass the blob object. So basically this will construct the URL for us, and here we will say a.download, and this file name you can give any file name of your choice. Let me give here recording.mp4, and then we will click this button automatically, a.click. That's all. So now guys, basically we will do it. So there is a method out there you can execute here. In right here inside this, we will basically just use set timeout, and inside this set timeout method guys, basically we will stop the recording after a certain number of seconds. So recorder dot stop, and we will stop it, let's suppose, to on a safer side we will stop it on a maximum of 100 seconds. So this is equal to 1 lakh milliseconds. So in 1 second, 1000 millisecond is there. So that's why we are providing here 100,000 milliseconds. So on a safer side, guys, on a max, you can record for 100 seconds. So if you just click the stop button before 100 seconds, your video will be downloaded. So that's all. And now your application is completed. If you click stop recording, and now you can see, if you click this, you will see that automatically you just need to select the screen, click on share, and now you can see that your video is recording, your screen is recording right here, and there is a button out there which is stop sharing. If you click that button, you also view that. As you click this stop sharing button, your video will be playing right here. You will see that. So in this way guys, you can record any screen out there. Let's suppose I want to select this one. You can see that. So all the source code guys is given in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one.